Hey guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. So this time we have received some package from Amazon. We purchased some products during the Republic Day sale that is there from I guess 11th. Not sure if it is 11th or 16 to 22nd of January 2026. So let's open this package that we received from Amazon. This is a screen guard for iPhone 15 from POPIO. It is a 2.5D curved, waterproof, scratch resistance, easy touch, protective screen guard, tempered glass. What is the cost of this? You can see it is for iPhone 15 or 16. Uh, it is 599. We got it for about 300 rupees from the discount that we had received on the Amazon store. Let's open this. Okay, we got so many things here, man. We got a toolkit, alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust absorber and guide stickers. That's something. And we got some, I don't know what these are. Scan me. What is this? It's a 6D iPhone 5 15. Got bubbles, want to see how to remove it. Some instruction videos on how to remove the bubbles, and there is case friendly design. I don't know, man. They've been wasting money on all this printing. The quality also is nice, thick. All the printing that's going into this. There is a brochure about the company POPIO. Save 20% on your first Harris cosmetic. We don't buy any cosmetic. Everybody now got a Instagram or social media handle nowadays. So let's see what the oh, does it look not right to us? Oh, you can see this. Some printing also here, compatible for iPhone 15, 16. Even that is written here. The edges, let's have a look at the edges. It's not that thick, but it feels heavy. Holding it in my hand feels heavy, heavy है. तो लगता है अच्छा क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है. यहाँ पे देखिए कैसा है ये स्टिकर को ऐसे निकालना पड़ता है. सो ये iPhone 15 का कवर है, स्क्रीन गार्ड है. इसको साइड में रखते हैं एंड लेट्स गो टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. ये हमारा Redmi Note 2 का